Well, here she sits. Evidently I corrupted a memory card and I lost the, if you notice, that last installment ended rather abruptly, and I did not show completion of this cover. And also I did not show me, and I'm not going to do it again, all the effort of getting this thing up on top of the tank without some type of mechanical help. That was very entertaining for someone, not me. That thing is heavy. So anyway, it is up there. It is mounted. I have the belt tensioned properly, and it has a guard for it, and I will add the guard in because I've actually got to turn this thing so we can hook it up to that panel right there. It's still into the original panel. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up with oil, ISO 50 or SAE 40. That's what's recommended for the T-30 compressors. So I'm going to fill it up 41 ounces, and we will fire her up. I'll go ahead and get the camera set up after I get the oil in there. All right, got the oil in there, and now I guess we're ready to try it out, or at least try. So here goes nothing. Well, it pumps air. One thing I forgot to mention, I do have the ball valve open down here, so it's not generating pressure or anything. Probably what I'll do is I'll kind of creep up on the pressure a little bit. Now that it's running a little bit, I want to see what the oil looks like. Because we have to remember this is a splash lube system, and I did oil the pistons and everything like that, but you know, it's one of those deals that still got to circulate the oil around and everything. So oil's in there. So I think what I'm going to do is let's see if it'll generate a little pressure. It is nice and quiet. Okay. Try it again. Go ahead and shut this. I mean, there's air coming out. Oh, forgot. We got the test down here, the automatic drain. Get that plugged in. Wonder if my automatic drain's broken. Well, that's not very helpful. Gonna have to work on that. It seems like it's leaking or something's stuck in the valve itself, so I don't think we're gonna build that much pressure. But the important thing is it is running. So, one more time. So all we're doing is losing air out the bottom. So I'll have to get that fixed. That's kind of annoying. There. Nice and quiet again. So I'll have to get the drain valve fixed, and we'll have to go from there. But it runs, it works. There's heat coming out of the top here, which is good. Into the fins. So I think overall we're pretty good. I'm just going to work on some of the valving. I may end up taking that and just doing a little handle, a hand valve or something, or just taking that off of there and seeing if it needs to be cleaned up or something like that. But that's a project for another day. But yeah, larger air compressor is in the shop, and now I've got to punch list of things, valve, piping, and moving the power from there, from that breaker box to this breaker box, and we will be good to go. So I'll probably include those in a video, but that'll be a later video. Probably won't be till spring because I don't need any air in the winter. So thanks for watching.